What's up, what's up? Hey, welcome back to my channel. Back at it again, looking like trash. Blame my friend who didn't wash my hair today. So I can't be as loud as I want it to be because I got Yaya right next door and I don't want to blast the eardrums with my annoying loudness. But if you don't want to see me look like trash, then don't watch the video. But I got no choice but to look like this. So enjoy it. Enjoy my ugliness. I'm gonna do two videos. I'm gonna look exactly the same, back to back. So you gonna have double the ugly. Oh, with my Boxycharm unboxing. As soon as you open this bad boy, it's this Cover Effects blurring primer. It's lightweight. Focus primer obviously blurs out the pores, fine lines, other imperfections. Kathleen Knight's mentioned that if you're more normal to oily skin, you're gonna like this. So definitely, I'll give this a try because I'm more oily. Can you tell? Some brushes from Anastasia. $45. Okay, clearly you ain't worth $45, bro. Look at these brushes. You telling me these aren't worth $45? Really? No, it's just a big dome brush that could be used for multiple uses. This guy's $27. I don't use these kind of brushes because I use liquid eyeliner. Then the spoolie is great for if you have a whole bunch of clumpiness in your mascara or even brushing out the brows. Everything from Pretty Vulgar is just so pretty. Give us back in the day vibes. This is a black eyeliner. Ooh. But it's not liquid. So a lot of people think that it's liquid, but it's actually like the regular creamy gel kind, and you just stick your brush in there. Who knows? Is this all product? Is it? Or is it just a little tiny bit of product in there? Matte lip gloss times Boxycharm collab. A lip gloss could be matte, like wet. That doesn't make any kind of sense. Oh, I don't like that smell though. Why is my wand bent? I don't know how to feel about this. It's really pretty. My wand is bent. See, if I don't like the smell, then I know I'm not gonna like it on my lips because my nose is next to my lips. Here, sculpt the palettes. You are sculptor of your own destiny. You have two highlights and two bronzy looks. You could either contour with the deeper one, you could bronze with the lighter one. Oh wait, it smells like cocoa. Oh, this smells good. It kind of smells like the Too Faced eyeshadow cocoa powder. So that's everything in my box. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell some friends to subscribe. Share with others. There's some affiliate links down below. Check them out. Thank you so much in advance. You guys have a blessed day. Tell to subscribe. We are getting somewhere. We're getting to 300.